Hello dear brothers and sisters, today's video is a very powerful video. In this video we are going to discuss a powerful spell which is going to make your partner to fear about you losing you. And this is a very powerful spell which will force your partner to think about you, and it will put a fear in their mind that if they are not going to love you, respect you, care for you or call you, then immediately you are going to leave them. You need a cotton leaf or a cotton bud or cotton roll. I am having a cotton roll with me. Little bit of cotton is required, which I am going to take it like this, right? Little bit of cotton is required. It is just moving away. Let me put the marker over here. And the little bit of cotton more, like this, right? So you just need two cotton balls, or you can make the two cotton balls like this. One I'm already with me, and one is I'm going to make one more right now. Just give me a second. Okay, it's not, let me fix it here, right? And one more cotton ball I'm making right now. So these are the two small cotton balls which I have already with me, right, which I have made specially in front of you so that you can do it yourself as well. Once you have made these two cotton balls, dear brothers and sisters, you will put these two cotton balls near to your bumps, that is, in your underwear. You can put these two cotton balls at your back, right? Once you have done it, you are going to sit on the photograph, on the hard copy of your target person's photograph, or you will write down your target person's name on a piece of paper 141 times, then with a black marker, obviously with a black marker which is there on your screen right now, then you will sit on that piece of paper or on the photograph. Only one thing, either on the photograph or on the paper on which you have put the names 141 times with the black marker. Once you have done it, you will read this spell which is there on your screen right now. I'm going to tell you the meaning of this spell as well. I hope everyone is able to see it. Yoni means female private part. Lingam means the part of the body. Lingam private. Purusham means male. Male means it's the combination, it's the conjunction, means they are going to join together. Kuru means do it. Bhava means as soon as possible. So it means that you are praying to God that your private part and his or her private part should be attached not only physically but internally with the soul as well, with the positive vibes as well, right? Once you have chanted this spell 331 times, you are going to burn these two cotton balls. These two cotton balls you are going to burn, and once you have burnt them, the ashes you have to throw towards his or her house, that is your target person's house. Right? You have to practice this spell on Tuesday at sharp evening time 6 p.m. and must finish this spell in the next 15 minutes only. Once you have done it, for the next 5 Tuesdays you are going to do this spell. In these 5 weeks you cannot have any kind of physical intercourse. Before getting into the 6th week, your partner will come to you, will have a physical intercourse with you. Once it has been done, your partner will not be able to move away from you, will be loyal to you, will be thinking day and night about you, will be respecting you, and will have such a strong fear in his or her mind of losing you. He or she will think 24 hours that if I do this thing, will my partner leave me? If I don't do this, will my partner leave me? So such an affection, such an respect, such a care your partner will have in his or her mind for you. Dear brothers and sisters, if you need any help regarding this spell, or you want any clarification, then please feel free to call on the number which is there on your screen right now. We will be happy to answer all your queries. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.